Hey everyone, this is Jess from Non-Techie Entrepreneur. If this is your first time visiting my channel, thank you for watching. If you are looking for other resources on the Shopify platform, please subscribe and check out the Mastering Shopify playlist for additional videos. In this video, we will be going over how to remove your Shopify password page. Now, once you complete the steps of getting your store live, which will be adding products, customizing your theme, adding your domain, you will need to go ahead and actually make your store live for your customers. If your password page is on, then you will actually see one that says the store is password protected. Use the password to enter the store. So your customers will need to have the password in order to shop your store. So to disable this, you will be able to go to Online Store, Preferences, and this will open up the preference section of your online store, and you can scroll down to take the password off here. Now, since this is a development store, I am unable to disable it, but this is the section where you'll see password protection. You'll be able to put in a password or update it, add a message for your visitors, and click disable password. So you will undo the check and you will click save. And that will allow you to take away that Shopify password page for your store.